Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make perfect scrambled eggs. We all make scrambled eggs at home, but is it always fluffy, creamy and moist? In this video I'll be sharing few tips and tricks to make perfect scrambled eggs. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. To a mixing bowl, crack in 3 eggs. Make sure the eggs are in room temperature. This is one of the important things to be noted for perfect scrambled eggs. Now to this add 1/8 teaspoon of salt. Beat the eggs well using a fork or a spoon. You can also use a hand blender. Beat it well for 3 minutes until the eggs are super fluffy. Now after 3 minutes of continuous beating, the eggs are nice and fluffy. So let's go and make the scrambled eggs. Heat a pan, into this add a teaspoon of salted butter. Allow the butter to melt completely. Keep the flame in low till the end. This is another important thing to be noted. When the flame is in medium or high, the egg gets cooked soon and you won't end up with fluffy creamy eggs. Now the butter has melted, so transfer the beaten eggs to the pan. Let this cook undisturbed for 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, the sides are turning pale, meaning the sides are cooked. So at this stage, push the cooked portion to the center and fill the sides with the egg mixture. Likewise, push the cooked egg portions to the center from all the sides. Make sure not to stir the eggs. We are just trying to fold and cook the egg. Continue to fold and cook for a few more seconds until the eggs are completely done. Now the eggs are fluffy and cooked well, so off the flame and transfer it to a serving plate. Finally, sprinkle a pinch of pepper powder and serve it nice and hot and enjoy with your family and friends. Very fluffy, creamy, soft and moist scrambled eggs are now ready. So do try the scrambled eggs recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.